Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. Today I'm going to talk about AC noises. If you think your AC is making funny noises, is it a problem? Maybe it is and maybe it isn't. Let's start with your typical system. It has three components. A controller on the inside, also called a thermostat. You're familiar with that. An outdoor unit, a condenser, and an indoor unit, either a furnace or fan coil unit. All right, so let's start with the controller or thermostat noises. For older thermostats, hearing a click now and then is normal. That's when the unit calls for cooling or calls for heating. So that small click, no problem. Modern thermostats will not have a click, should be completely silent. Keep that in mind. If those are making a noise, there is a problem. All right, let's move to the indoor unit now. The question to answer is, what has changed? Is the noise new? Has it always been noisy? Is it something that's presented itself today or this week or this month or not? If it's an existing noise, say you think the fan is noisy, it may be normal for that system. The less expensive and older systems are going to make some noise when they're running. It may not be indicative of a problem. The newer, more quiet systems, if they start to get noisy, it means something has changed. Maybe a failing blower motor, it may be bad ductwork that's come apart, it may be something going on. Some occasional gurgles from your indoor unit from the drain are normal as well. A little bit of water noise is okay. Worsening water noise may not be. It may indicate a drain that's beginning to clog. So a service could be needed at that time. Don't worry, it's not a major deal. Now, outdoor units. Again, the question to ask is, what has changed? For basic outdoor units, there is a level of noise at startup, and then there's a consistent running noise. However, that startup noise shouldn't get louder. It shouldn't be very, very loud. And that running noise should not be accompanied by a lot of vibration. So what if there is? What if it has changed? What can you do? Well, first of all, see if the unit is clear of everything. Is it clear of vegetation? Is it clear of bugs? Is it clear of anything that could be growing into it? That's something that you can do to check before you call a professional out. There should be no loud bangs or vibration. These indicate potentially a failing blower motor or something else. Keep in mind that the higher end systems are even quieter, and they should be nearly silent. In summary, remember to look for where your noise is coming from, and keep in mind that your noise may be normal for your type of system. The key question you should always ask is, what has changed? I hope that helps. My goal in this video was to give an efficient answer to your AC question. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and we will respond. And if you're in Central Texas, you can call us to schedule an appointment. Thanks for watching.